And hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Rita, and today we are going to be unboxing. And do you know that apart from buying clothes, shoes, that you can also get household items on Zalando launch? Yeah, I have here a parcel. Zalando. Oh, it's really big. See? Zalando launch. So during the Christmas period, or earlier December, there were sales for household item, and I wanted a lovely pot. And the pots that I got, we are going to be unboxing it. But before I open it, let me give you a trick of why I wanted a pot. Two of them, I stack them on each other because it's slightly heavy. Yeah. So the first one, we are going to unbox it. The second box is the one below. And I didn't order two at once. I actually ordered one, and it was in a different color, but that was the only one that was on sale in that category and in the shape that I wanted. They were oval shape, but I didn't want an oval shape pot. So I ordered it, and a week later there was another sale, and this time around it was in black, or should I call it gray, and I would have actually preferred gray to orange color, but orange also is beautiful. So I ordered the second one also a week apart, and it took about 3 weeks before they delivered it. Actually, before, when you are buying from Zalando, before the end of this video, I will show you the website. So if you are buying from Zalando, normally each sales lasts for about 48 hours. Different brands, or this Ted Baker, Ben Sherman, any type of brand. So it's not that they put all the sales at once, but some comes on sale for 48 hours, others last 72 hours, and some are short period. And I just wanted a new pot for my kitchen and for my channel. Okay, so here we have the first one. Oh my god, this pot is really heavy. I think that's why they call it cast iron. So as you can see, this first one, it was upside down. Anyway, this first one is from this brand called Spring. It's a Swiss design. It says here, Swiss design. So I can't even remember which brand is which color. But anyway, I'm excited to look at it. Okay. Oh, it's a nice color. Look at that. Wow. See? One of the things that attracted me to the cast iron is that one of the review people have given is that it helps the food to cook properly by sealing in the moisture. And if you watch one of these video about the review for the Le Creuset, which is one of the French brand, this dirt, you can see how the steams retains how this dirt return the steams in form of droplets back into the food, and it was just amazing. So this one, it's a red color. Shall I call it red? Well, let's just call it red. It looks red. And oh my god, it's broken. Broken. Now